Quick update on packing. We ran a little behind on getting the Ferrari parts back to the race car place. Today, believe it or not, this is a lot of work here. I labeled all the parts. We've got stuff like door handles, the LM mirrors. Here's a bunch of extra LM mirror mounts. These are the carbon fiber vents for the front bonnet. Down in there's a fuse cover. So we're going to pack the boxes like this. We're going to give you 2 sets of these. These are our modified door front pieces that block out the debris from going inside the door jamb. We've got a pair of these that we modified to fit a car. It's a little bit wider this way. Then we're going to give you a pair of the factory F40, the size ones, in case you can use that. We've got things like front bonnet pivots. We've got front A-arm ducts. So we're going to box up things like that. We're going to label everything for you. Gas door lids. These are the 3 pieces for the taillights. So you've got the little spacer in there, the insulating piece. Got rear windows, miscellaneous interior pieces. We're going to put quite a few miscellaneous interior pieces in the inside of the rear bumper. So you've got miscellaneous interior pieces, bags down here, bagged up. This is the US bumper guard that goes on the outside of the bumper, right here. And there's a left and a right hand side that are shrink wrapped on the left and the right hand side. Inside of here is the ducting that goes from the quarter panels into the engine bay. So we've kind of tucked quite a bit of stuff inside of that rear bumper. And then kind of getting all the little stuff handled here. Tomorrow we're going to get all the big stuff inside of there, and I am really hoping by the end of the day tomorrow we'll have everything ready to go. It's just taken a while. In case you're curious, that's my parrot. He's the little shop parrot, and he doesn't like when I talk to the camera. But that's how we're going, Brett. We will get this done. Selling a car at the same time today. I had to talk to 2 people about an early 911 that I've got for sale for just a little less than 175,000 bucks, and unfortunately they sucked up 2 hours of my time. So just to let you know, we're gonna get this done. Obviously I want to get that last payment from you and want to get this box on its way to you. So that's it. I'll give you an update again tomorrow.